This 2021 Cruiser RV MPG Ultra Light Series 2750BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Cruiser RV is 33 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleeps 10, smoke detector, Slideout, TV, awning, leveling jacks, air conditioning, stove top burner, water heater, oven, spare tire kit, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, front dinette, front entertainment, front living area, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Cruiser RV MPG Ultra Light Series 2750BH is 6,300 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.